Hello everybody and welcome. Cal with a little midweek video to show you how to make earnings trades, and also if you like this and you want to start trading earnings at the end of this quick little trade here, I'll have a coupon so you can get that course at a discount rate for the next few days. And earnings season is right now. It's going to last the next roughly 4 to 6 weeks. So you got plenty of time to kind of learn it and get up and running and trading right away. So if you look over here, this tells you the earnings. And if I scroll over this, it should tell me that earnings is on 10/20 before Market Central Time. So it's 10:18 today as I make this video, which means 10:20 is going to be, it's Wednesday, Thursday, so Friday morning before the market opens, there's going to be earnings. So the way we trade earnings is we always put the trade on just before close and we take it off just after the opening, meaning tomorrow, 10:19, before the market closes, like the last 30 to 60 minutes of the market, we're going to put on this trade. And on 10:20, after market earnings have been announced, the stock will open at whatever price it opens at, and we'll look to close this trade in the first like 15 to 30 minutes as well. So we put on the trade the last 30 to 60 minutes of the trading day, open it up in the roughly 30 minutes of the trading day, and close that trade. So anyways, we're going to do it in AXP, which is American Express, because they have earnings coming up on Friday morning. As you can see here, volatility has spiked a lot, and that's because the market has been tanking the last few days, and also because earnings is coming. And volatility always spikes during earnings announcements. So if we go to the trade page, let me show you quickly how we do this. Up here on this trading platform, it tells you the market maker move. And if you take my course, I'll show you how to do all the calculations to work this out yourself. Don't have time to do it now. But what this means is 550 plus or minus, which means they're expecting the price to go up or down 550 on the earnings announcements. There's roughly a 70% chance it stays in that range. So plus or minus 550. So we want to make this trade where we kind of do that range or further because we want to stay outside or equal to that range. So what we do is if I open up this trade page, you can see all the strike prices. I've saved us the trouble to do this long form, but essentially 550 down from here gets us to around the 45 strike. 550 up from here gets us to around the 157.50 strike. And you can see, unfortunately, above 150 the strikes go to 250 wide. Below 150 they're only $1 wide. So this is kind of an unbalanced iron condor because one side's going to be $2, one side's going to be $2.50. Not important, just so you know that it's a little bit more risky of a trade. So what we're going to do is, again, we go 550 away on each side. So tomorrow afternoon, if the stock stays right here, we're going to go 550 up, 550 down, and then we're going to buy the call and put as close to $2 away as we can. On the put side, we can do it. On the call side, it's obviously $2.50. Now, normally my rules are 33 to 50 cents per dollar width, roughly. But when it comes to earnings, we don't have to get that amount because it's a one-day trade. We're going to open this up and close it the next morning. So whatever number suits you as far as money you could potentially make, that's good enough for you or me. So for me, I might be happy making this trade for 50 cents or 60 cents because I might be able to make 30, 40 bucks in one day. So I'm willing to accept less credit on an earnings trade than I would on a normal trade. But that is briefly, how you make an earnings trade. If you want to really learn how to trade earnings, stick around. I got a coupon for you right after this. Thanks for hanging with me. So obviously there's a lot more involved than I just showed you to make earnings trades, but I have a course specifically designed to teach you earnings, and it's a pretty quick course. I think it's about 90 minutes total. So you could be through this in a day and you could start trading earnings in this earnings cycle. So if you're interested, here is the link right here. If you type in this link, this screen will pop up. And right here, if you say apply coupon, you'll see this coupon code. And if you type that in, you'll get this course for only $9.99. So really can't do better than that. I'd really love to see people up and trading earnings quickly. So I'm discounting this course to the minimum I'm allowed to. This coupon is good for 5 days, so you have till Monday afternoon to use it. Hope you take the opportunity. I'd love to see you start trading earnings and start making money right away. But again, go to this page with this link, type in this code, and you'll get this course for only $9.99 until Monday afternoon. Take care. Hope to see you all soon.